my gosh. This, oh, it's going to make it.
Hey, Mommy.
I know, that's why we're going outside.
On my rug.
Okay, well,
No,
the
we
rug
have
up.
to. No, we can't. No, we can't.
The rug up?
Huh?
With the rug
Oh,
up.
that's a good idea.
Here.
I'm going to put that down for just a second. Let me go
Oh my
get the rug up.
goodness. Look at Molly, like, Molly is drooling. And look
Molly, that is an early birthday
look
present.
at Pepper.
That's an early birthday present. Oh my gosh.
That's a taste.
She's so excited.
Molly says, you better give me a taste.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
We're going to put the rugs up. Ravenous is what we are. Okay, wait. This is so gross. Oh my gosh.
And what is this now? What is it?
A shoulder of some sort. Okay, hey. PW, you're gonna get. Are we ready? No. Pepper, you're gonna get it. Walter, you should see this. Hey.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Here, you grab that. This Pepper.
This is it, Molly's.
That's Molly. Pepper.
Oh, Molly.
Wilson. Oh
Look.
my.
Look, Randy, it's a
God.
knuckle.
Okay, give Molly.
Molly, look.
Pepper.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my goodness. Look at Pepper.
She don't know what to think. That's too big.
That is so
Molly knows just what to do. It's kind of dark.
There's meat on it? I gotta wash my hands.
Is it good? Is it good, Pepper? What do you think, Molly? Is it good? Is it good? Oh, Molly. All right, y'all enjoy.
This is called happiness.
Pepper.
Call this video happiness.
Is it good, Pepper? Oh,